Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmy Lou Arts, and I'm going to go back and show you my journaling for Saturday, May 9th, Sunday the 10th, and Monday the 11th. We're a couple days behind, and we'll talk about that too. All right. I keep all of my little ephemera die-cut pack things that I've been sent. Was that specific enough for you? Ephemera die-cut pack things in this little pouch from Simply Gilded that I was sent in Happy Mail. And I decided to dig that out because there was a lot of cute, like springy, summery ones and some of bicycles that I remembered in there. So I got that out and I saw this little banner and I thought that would be cute to write Happy Mother's Day. So that's what I did. I got out my Mildliner brush pens, and then have also been using some of the other ones I've been sent. They're fun too. The Tim Holtz Distress markers, those are really cool. They have a brush tip on them. And then also the Ecoline brush pen. Those are fun. So you guys spoiled me with all of these markers, and I still have a bag yet of a different Tombow colors that I need to get out and organize too. So my goodness. I had used my Sprocket to print out a picture of my kids and I just in the family room, snuggling in our pajamas. That's basically our life now. So I loved that. And then there was all those really pretty pictures of flowers from the ephemera packs. This is a couple different ones, so they don't all coordinate perfectly, but... And then I belong to Coffee Monsters Co., is that right? Facebook group, and she did some really cute, these little freebies of a mama bear and the little, you know, the little babies, and you could pick the number of kids that you had, so obviously I picked the 2, and then it said I love you on there. I just downloaded it onto my phone and then printed it out with my Sprocket, which I thought was super cute. And then I added the Mother's Day spread isn't real specific. It's just like a lot of just pretty things. So I don't know. That's all. And a phone. We had a big Zoom, like family Zoom call with my my in-laws and my sister-in-laws and brother-in-law. So that was fun to see everyone. And I was just writing about the things we did. We just kind of chilled out and, let's see, the Zoom call and my mom, they dropped by and she dropped off a big, like basket bag of yarn because she had given the kids a lap loom. She sent it home with me last week when I was over there for our social distance cocktail hour. And it's like, if you don't know what a lap loom is, it's like for weaving. So she thought that the kids would have fun with it. And Addie, basically, she saw it and she just started weaving right away. She's making a tablet cover and it's a rainbow. And so I just thought that was really cool. And she is a crafter. She loves a crafty thing like cross stitch and weaving and knitting. She loves it all. So she is from my loins. Sorry, I just used the word loins. I decided to doodle a little front door with a basket full of a whole bunch of colorful yarn because Addie texted my mom. She likes to steal my phone and then send text messages to people. It's annoying yet funny, so I don't try that hard to stop it. So she texted my mom that she needed red yarn because she had all the other colors for her rainbow, except for red. So she said, Grandma, can you drop off red yarn? Because my mom is basically a yarn shop. And so, of course, she didn't just drop off red. She dropped off an entire bag full of 95 different colors of yarn. So I just thought that was funny on Mother's Day that she just would do that because she's just the best mom. And then Henry popped in and he wanted to be part of my journaling. He said, can I draw a heart? I said, well, absolutely. And then he said, can I write Happy Mother's Day? I said, oh, duh, yeah, I would love that. So he decided to contribute to my journaling, which I couldn't have loved more. And so he was signing his name. He said, "I'm going to sign my name in cursive." I am obsessed. I love it. So, and I put bicycles because on Saturday we went for a big, like a long, not long, probably takes about 45 minutes, and they scooter around this lake that we live by, and then I kind of ride my bike behind them. But we stopped. There's this big hill by the lake that they like to roll down, so we stopped and rolled down the hill for about 15 minutes. And it was just a beautiful day. It was so windy that there was like breakers on this lake. It was like waves. You could have body surfed on it. But it was just fun. It was beautiful out, and it was a nice day. So that was fun time spent together. So I liked that little sticker from one of the American Crafts books. It said "Fun Day" with a bike. I thought that was perfect. And then I just added more little stickers. And then I added a little sticker that said "Take a Moment" by the heart that Henry drew, because that's kind of what we did on the hill. Just took a moment and rolled down the hill. And so that was that day. And then cut to Monday, it all just kind of went downhill from there. It's just been a hard couple of days, guys. I've been missing because, to be quite honest, I just had a bit of a wallow. You know, it just all catches up with you and you just get kind of down. Well, that's what I did. So I spent all of yesterday pretty much in bed watching YouTube. And it's just one of those days. So I put a little coffee cup on Monday and a little nope sticker. It was just hard. It was hard for the kids. It was hard for us. You know, you can't win them all. So we had supply pickup day on Monday. So the school, obviously, when we all went home for spring break, we didn't know that we wouldn't be coming back again. So all of their stuff was still left there, and their teachers had to bag it up and distribute it back out to the students. So they had arranged this supply pickup day and went through all the kids' desks and bagged up all their stuff in black garbage bags for each child, you know, and then worked it out so that you would drive through like the pickup line, and all the teachers were there, you know, with the masks and helping like to distribute the stuff. And you weren't supposed to get out of your car. You're supposed to stay in and pop your trunk if you could. And they were all wearing masks, and it was so depressing, you guys. It was just really sad. It was really, really sad. And I feel like it affected the kids, but it really affected me for some reason. I don't know. They were just kind of, there's just no closure on the school year. It was just kind of ripped from us, you know, which I understand why. But so all those were collage pieces from a Real Simple, and I put the car and then the popped trunk, and then I liked that that lady that was supposed to be a fitted sheet. It was like a little thing about how to fold a fitted sheet, but I just colored it black like a garbage bag and then put a little tie on the top. And then that little collage was from one of Henry's scouting magazines, and I thought the girl just looked kind of just like sad, and she was holding a teddy bear, but I picked out stickers of like a book to put on top of it. I think it's actually supposed to be a credit card, but I thought maybe I could make it look like a book and a bag, just because it was kind of like, here's your stuff, school year's over. You know, it was just so sad. And I put down a sticker that said, "Look on the bright side." We were trying to make the best of it. You know, we get more time to play, more time together, but it was just rough, you guys. I'm not going to lie. It's just rough. And I had that piece of collage from a Real Simple. It says, "And just as you start to catch your breath, it's taken away completely." yeah, like I said, it was just one of those moments, like, just didn't expect it to, you know, hit so hard, but it did, you know. And they were trying to make it like a peppy event, you know, like they had a stereo going and they had like balloons. They were trying to make it fun and happy, but it was just sad. So I was just writing about that. And I used a couple other stickers, like school supply stickers, and I cut out a little sticker and put it over her face to be a mask, because the teachers were all wearing masks, because obviously they were kind of standing next to each other, but, you know, they tried to space out, but it is what it is. And let's see, what else? Some cat butt stickers on the bottom, and just some more stickers from the American Crafts set on the house, because just picked up our stuff and went back home. And I put a little rainbow on top of it, because there's got to be a rainbow at the end of this storm, right? And then don't forget sticker at the top about supply pickup, and a hello sticker, because we kind of were yelling out the windows at the teachers, like, hello, hi, bye, have a great summer, you know. And then I put a little emoji of a heart, because it's hard. I'm sure it was really hard for them to you know, not be able to say goodbye, you know, to their kids. So, let's see, some more stickers, just random ones from my pig and cat. I love these because they just have some like random, you know, stickers, like coffee cups and plants and stuff like that, you know, like good for just putting in around and filling up a spread. I kind of like those, because, you know, I just like to fill in every nook and cranny. So basically that's about the spread. If you're new here, I'm sorry, this one was kind of depressing. It's just the way it is right now, and that, I think, just set the mood. It was just Monday and Tuesday were rough, and I had a bit of a retreat. To be quite honest, when you have depression and anxiety, I mean, this isn't unusual for me to have days where I struggle, but usually no one's home, you know, like the kids are at school and Michael's at work, so I can have a day where I just kind of retreat. And it's not as apparent when everyone is home and I'm like, hey, I'm just gonna go lay in bed. So I don't know, is what it is. And thankfully Michael is very understanding, and he just, you know, says, you know, babe, you just go do what you gotta do. And so that's what I did. And I know there are better days ahead, and I hope that you guys have been doing well. Those are my spreads, and this is life. See you later. Bye.